Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you tired of manually adding website leads to your CRM? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to automatically send every form submission directly into Bitrix. First, go to the dashboard and come to CRM. Here, click Create. Either choose a template or just start from scratch. Then, customize every field you want, like name, client name, contact, company, and so on. Once you're done with this, just save and publish this. Once it's published, get an HTML snippet. Once you have that, just paste that into your page editor and then a contact form will appear on your website page. Once someone fills that page, you'll get a new lead directly at your CRM. Here, you'll see the lead information, the contact details, and everything in the form. You can also set up an automation to notify a salesperson or create a new task whenever a new lead comes in. And that's it. You just created a seamless lead generation pipeline from your website straight into your sales team. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.